searching this. This, maybe create my own vulnerable apps like using exploit DB's already existing exploits, not like the exploit, the app, the exploit app I got. So there's no material online, so I thought let me just try and make one. So I got this. When you go to exploit DB, let me check the home page. I think this is the home page. Yeah, the exploits. So instead of using, let me try with a small one. I got this one, the vstfpd RCE, the Metasploit RCE. I got. So this side you done with the payloads, I think. Yeah, this you done the payloads. Some of the payloads don't have the vulnerable apps. This is the icon for the app vulnerable app if it has one. So you got this. I got this one, the Metasploit backdoor one. So you download this. It will come like this. I got. Then go to files, your files, and extract this shit. So downloads. This will be the file. You extract this. I got. So what I find out, there is at least instructions, but then the instruction doesn't work in every operating system out there. So I was using Debian. There's a lot of make errors when using Debian. Let me just do this. Let me try and this. There's the readme. I think there's a readme and install one. So let me find the install. Yeah, this is the install documentation. So I think this install only works for Ubuntu, I think, because when you are inside this and try to make the file using Debian, it's gonna give you error somewhere. Oh fuck, I made this thing. I made it in my PC. Fuck. Okay, let's do this. I made a document on how you should do this. I will put the link to my GitHub for this. So we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna use a Debian container. So let's import it. Let me check if I made a backup first. Ish, don't let this be in my PC. Fuck. I'll delete it later. So let me check my images first. Let me just remove them. I made a backup. I got RMI. This one. Continuous referencing must be forced. What's the tag for force? Or F. Okay. It's gone. Okay. Let me put this full screen so you can see it. You can see this thing. How do I increase text size? Okay. So first, I think I have the base image. I have the base Debian image. So you're gonna pull this from Docker, then pull from the repo. You're gonna pull the Debian bookworm container again. After you do this, you're gonna install the dependencies. Then pull this one. I made this one for Debian. It's on my Docker hub. You're gonna pull this. But then this is already fine, so I'm wondering why I'm pulling this. So it's because if I run this, it's gonna already be set up. Let's just use this for practice purposes. Oh, I already made the command, it's fine. So after this you're gonna make the network here. The network is already in the run. Let me see what. So we're gonna go into this and setting up the network at the same time, but then everything is already set up. We're gonna go into this. Invalid reference doc. Oh fuck, I copied something else. No, that's crazy. P not found. Part not found. How? Maybe I should put it in one straight line. Let me just do this. I think I'll need to edit this file, right? To remove the D. To remove the D. Let me try something. I think just one line it. Just one line it. Just don't do multiple lines. I think that's the problem with the D. A response from the Java file to set up container networking driver programming connectivity. Did I not set up the network? Did I skip this? It should work though, it should work. Did I pull the image? The image is there though. Oh, I tried to run it without setting it up first. Should have done bash though, should have done bash. So we're gonna set, we are inside again. When I set it up, I think you should create a user first. The install script has, oh, kind of did everything. So if you're starting from scratch or you wanna edit, it's the slide mode thing, bruh. So you're gonna read through the instructions. It will show you how you build everything. If you're building from scratch, that is. But then if you are here, you can just continue from here. From here, add user. Then edit your own users, then configure it how you want to configure it. The problem with, there's gonna be a problem here when you make install. So create these directories manually because the make install is refusing. I don't know why. And there's gonna be an error saying, where's the thing? When you're building, it's fine. I fixed the, I'll check for you later. I fixed the problem on my image. It's gonna be fine. But it's one of the files. They're using an old version that doesn't support on other Linux systems. So you'll just edit it. You'll just edit the file, then fix the dependency issue. It's in the make file. I think it's in the make file. Let me see. I have to exit this first. So now make file, install. Oh, it's this. Where is it though? There's an extension you should add here to prevent the make file from crashing. I forgot the tag I used. I think it's a lib something. We'll get to it. I'll add it to that thing. But then the creator will fix this. It's fine. I fixed my own. I'll try to document this thing where it crashes and something like that. So since it's working, it's fine. Yeah, we run this, we configure docker, let me try it on something. Is it in share? Oh, yes, our local sbin vstfpd. We're gonna run this and try to see if it works or not. The reason why setting up didn't work on my side is because I already set this thing up. So you're gonna find the configuration file, go into the configuration file, edit the configs to allow listening, set the ports for passive. I gotta, you know, FTP has two, the one that executes the instructions and the file side, and there's the file side. So you're gonna set up port 21 and port 3. Is it 30,000 or 3,000? I think it's 3,000, but why did I do this? No, it's 3,000. It's fine. It's fine. So we're gonna set this up, save the image, run. You can commit this to your own Docker account just for backups. So after you do this, you're gonna run the binary file. I don't know why it's stuck like this. Let me try something. So since we didn't create a network and give it an IP address, we're gonna use our local address, then map it to port 21. Service is not available, that means it's not running. Maybe I have to create a user again. Let me see. Which user am I? Am I root? Fuck. Oh, there's no one. That's why. So we need to run this as a different user. That's why. Why is it wrong? It already exists, so what's the problem? Where's my notepad? Oh, I didn't give it a PID. Fuck. That's why. Okay. Run this. So it runs in the background. You're gonna say end. Where's my end? Okay. So it's running right now. Let me try again. What's that? Connected to blah 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 end. I didn't give it a port on my thing. Let me do this. Run it with this. So you map it to port 21. Thing is, it's saying port 21 is already allocated. So allocated by what? By what? Let me kill this. What was I using to such processes, bruh? How did I even forget to grab, bruh? Oh, PS PSEF. FTP, what's running on FTP? Bruh, this is why it has to move. Running FTP session. Okay, it was aux, that's why. Grab with aux. Oh, it works, is the same. So problem is the PID should be this. I think should be this. Then kill it. Let me see, finding the process itself. I want to kill this. Let me just kill. If I mess up something, it's fine, doesn't matter. Thing is, they don't show which one is the PID, but I think it's this one. No such process, nah. Okay, it worked. So we're gonna go back, run this. What's already allocated? How? It's still running. Didn't kill. No such process. Process. How? Let me just kill it out. Let me see the print, if it's gonna print this. Oh, so the beginner thing is the PID. Let me search again. Right, still there. So this thing doesn't want to die. What did I even allocate this to, bruh? Which process binded this thing? Let's say for port 21 not FTP. Problem is it's binding to a lot of things. Yes, this, that's that, or SS. I like this one. SS is better than Netstat this time these days, bruh. Okay, the Docker session. This Docker session 7.7. Ish, this thing was giving me problems, bruh. Okay, it should be dead now. Okay, it's gone. So use SS. I need to write this thing. I need to write down this command, bruh. This thing is nice. SS, bruh. Grab 21. Okay. Then run this again. Docker session is even running, bruh. What's the name? Oh, Docker is the one that's not running. The fuck? No such directory. What's the name of Docker? The Docker daemon, Docker D. Desktop, since I'm using Docker desktop. Let me check this shit, bruh. What's the Docker service name? It should be Docker though. Bruh, it's Docker. Then why is it refusing? Failed because the service was attempted too often. What do you mean it was attempted too often? Let me just enable it, then restart. Still gonna refuse, bruh. Is there any way to restart this thing? Come on, fix this. Corrupted Docker data. Let me just remove this. And try to restart this. There shouldn't be any pod conflicts though. Let me just do this easy way. Forgot this thing is not. Let me just do this. I just install Docker instead of Docker desktop. Docker desktop has no use, bruh. Doesn't even have no reason to exist, bruh. This thing. So you're gonna need to pull this again. Let me see first. Let's touch it this time. Permission denied. How is it permission denied? And I'm running using sudo. I'll check for this. maybe I might need to restart my PC because some process is fighting me. Let me just stop here then. Okay, we back. Let's try it again. It should work now though. Let's see if Docker's like this. That's fine. It's fine. It was the PC, bruh. It was the PC. Fine. Alright. So let me check if the image is there. Nothing. We have to pull it again now. So pull the base image, the base. The fuck? Let me just pull a Debian, bro. Or let me just pull my file. It doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter because I think it works on base. Let me just pull my image, brother. Fuck. So I'm gonna write sudo all day. Dbus launch. What happened to my thing? Exit code. Fuck, my Docker login. My API. Fuck. Wait, let me set up my API right quick. Or let me just see if it will work. Yeah, that's the problem. Fuck. Okay. Let me do this. Let me pause. Go get my API key. Okay, I'm done. But remember, this thing is public, but it's supposed to pull. I don't know why it's doing this. Give me this. But I'll check on it. But it's a public repo. Public repo, bruh. I have no private repos. Yeah, this well apps repo is a public repo, bruh. My security insights. Not none. Tags are immutable. All tags are immutable. Let me just do this. But it's public. It's public. Okay. So you pull this. Wi-Fi is slow, so I'm gonna skip this too. Okay, now this shit is done, but this thing is stressful. Let me pull it. Oh, I pulled it. Where is the run? Try to run it. Hi. Okay, I'm not gonna do much. It's running, so I'm just gonna let me just run this. I'm just gonna run the services since this should be just okay. keep forgetting where end is, bro. P87, then try it. It's running. So I enabled the anonymous service just for testing. So you're inside. There's nothing inside. So even if you check, you'll find nothing inside. But I just set files on this. Let me try something. Put 30,000. Let me see this thing. 30K, but okay, still fine. At least it works. So you're gonna maybe put something in there, maybe a hint for a flag or something, then hide something inside the FTP, maybe a message, an encrypted message. Then you will see how you do it to make it into a CTF challenge somewhere around there. I should make this into a CTF challenge. I should see what to do.